Hello everyone, this is the InStyle Knitting Studio. Today we will learn how to knit a simple PIKO. There are many ways to create it, but we will look at the simplest and most common one. A knitting element like the PIKO is used to decorate the edge of the item. It is intended for adorning the knitted fabric. Let's begin. I've knitted a chain of air stitches and 2 rows of double crochet stitches. We have learned how to do this. I will leave links to the lessons below the video. Now let's make 1 air stitch to transition to the next row. Then we will turn the work and make a single crochet in the stitch of the previous row to ensure our edge is beautiful. We will now directly explain how to create a PIKO. Let's make 3 air stitches. You can make more. Depending on how many stitches we have here, our PIKO will be formed accordingly. That is, if there are more stitches, the PIKO will be bulkier. Now, with the hook from top to bottom, we insert into the front loop of the stitch, as well as into part of the base stitch. Here, closer to us, are 2 loops. We catch the working yarn and pull it through these 2 loops. On the hook, we have 2 loops. Again, we catch the working yarn and pull these 2 loops on the hook. Here is our first PIKO, it's here. Now we need to attach this element to the fabric. That is, we will make a single crochet in the next stitch of the previous row, just like this. Now we need to decide how much distance we want between the picots. If we crochet more single crochets, the picots will be farther apart. If we crochet fewer stitches, the picots will be closer together. I will crochet 3 single crochets between the picots. I have already made 1. I will make 2 more. In the end, I have 3 single crochets between the picots. Now let's make 3 air stitches again. 1, 2, 3. We insert the hook from top to bottom into the front wall. The loops, as well as the loop in part of the base column, here. We catch the working thread and pull it through these 2 loops. We have 2 loops on the hook. We again catch the working thread. We knit these 2 loops. Now we secure our element to our fabric. That is, we knit a single crochet into the next loop. Next, we knit 2 regular single crochets. At the end, I will knit a regular single crochet. This is how the PIKO element looks. Do you see such little bumps? If we have more chains, the bump will be bigger and more voluminous, that's all. If you have any questions, ask in the comments, subscribe and like. See you in new classes. Bye bye.